guys! Welcome back to Tea Family Cooking Show. Today, I will show you how to make my favorite muffins with Greek yogurt and chocolate toppings. It's so easy to make and really delicious. So let's start preparing, shall we? I will use the stand mixer today because they're so much easier to use, but you can also use hand mixer for this. I'll put 2 egg whites and 100 gram of white sugar. You can also use powdered sugar for this if you want, okay? And run the mixer on high speed for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, the mixture should look like this, kind of like a foamy mixture and not too watery. Then I will add 2 egg yolks and mix them well again until the yellow color disappears. Then I'll add 80 gram of room temperature margarine. You can also use melted butter, room temperature butter, or even cooking oil in this same amount, okay? Mix them again until the batter turns into yellowish color. Make sure to scrape the mixing bowl time to time, guys. If you don't scrape, they will just become dry and it won't be good for the batter. While the machine is running, I'll take another bowl and sift the 125 gram of all-purpose flour and a half teaspoon of baking powder. You can also use cake flour here. Then gradually add those flour into the mixer. Scrape the bowl again. Add 70 gram of Greek yogurt into the batter and run the machine again for the last time. The batter is ready to be baked. You can use beautiful muffin liners in the pan, or you can just spray or brush with some oil in the muffin pan like this. Pour in the batter. Adjust the surface a bit. Add some sliced chocolate or chocolate chips on top. And baked at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And done! Very nice, very yummy muffins. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like my recipe. Try yourself at home and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Take care, guys. Stay safe.